Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my mosin nagant. Here it is. I designed this because I wanted something simple and something quick to make. So something more than making maybe something like this, like a gun, but something less than my older mosin nagant, so that I can like mass produce them, I guess. If you wanna like make an origami army, I guess it would be quicker to make. Takes about less than 3 minutes, or almost 3 minutes to make, I guess, for me, but it depends. So first you need a square sheet of paper like so, and you want to fold it in half. So I'm ready to fold it right here to make the square, of course, and fold it in half again. Okay, like this. Okay, and so this is gonna be the front, and you want to take the right side right here and fold that right up to that center line right there. Okay, and you see this edge right here, you want to do the same thing and fold it right up to that center line. Okay, and now you see this edge right here, you want to fold that right up to the center line, like so. And just excuse me for a second. Okay. And now this is the Bayonet version. Okay, so I'll be showing that at the end as well. Just totally forgot. Okay, so if you want the Bayonet, don't fold this over. But if you want the other one, you want to fold this tip over right up to this edge right here. Okay, and same thing in the back as well. Okay, and fold it in half like so, and bring this whole bottom triangle up. And you see where that center line is? Right from that center crease line, you want to fold it right up to this corner right here, this bottom corner, this whole triangle down. Like that. That's going to be the magazine, of course. Okay? And now, you see this top part, you want to fold that in half. And behind the little triangle. Okay, and bring this triangle back, and make sure you get it all the way to the back. You see this little, so it can move back and forth. Like so. And now you see where this point is. You want to fold where that point is. You want to zigzag fold right there. So bring this whole back portion to the front like this, and where that point is right there. Okay, and zigzag fold it back. Okay, and you see this whole back part right here. You wanna bring this edge in like so. It will vary on how you fold it here, so it might look smaller or wider, depends on the zigzag fold and stuff. Okay, so you bring this whole piece back, and you see the front edge right here. You want to fold that right up to this top here. Okay, like so. And you see this this back piece right here. You want to hide that right in here. So that whole back portion, just hide it into the magazine to square out the magazine, of course. And now you're gonna dent in the top portion right here. So you see this corner right here, you wanna fold that in. Okay. And shape out the stock. And bring that right up to right around the center of the stock. Okay. Okay, and you see the center line right here. Okay, you want to make a small zigzag fold right there. So fold this across like that, where the front is. Make a tiny zigzag fold right there, like that. Okay. And now you want to fold this in half. Okay. So bring this whole thing up. And for here, just want to let that little triangle thing, let it a little bit forward like this. Don't square it out, so that it has that little belly right there. Okay. And now for the barrel, you want to fold, you see the slant right here, you want to fold roughly around the center of this slant. Okay, so you want to match that corner right up to this corner right here. You see a slant on top. You want to fold roughly in the middle of that and fold it forward. Okay, then you want to fold this in half. It's a thick fold, see, in half, and kind of drag it up. So you see right here, it's on top. Okay, so fold it in half, and you want to drag it up to the top. Okay. Okay, and now you want to make a little water bomb base on top to make the sight. See right here, just fold in, and you see this this top layer, just leave that alone on the side, and there's another layer on top. You want to take that corner right there, kind of fold that in, and fold the front together. Okay. To make the front sight. And here's the mosin nagant. And if you want to make the bayonet, do the same thing, but don't fold the front over. Let me unfold that, of course. And yeah, you see where that slant is? Same thing. Zigzag fold right there. And it's the bayonet is off to the side, so you want to zigzag fold it like that. And fold the bayonet in half. And you see the back portion right here too. You want to fold that in as well. That. Then kind of drag it up to the top. Okay. To make the bayonet. So it should be off to the right, like that. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.